So 1 minus 4 is equal to minus 3. And again 1 minus 4 is equal to also minus 3. Now minus 3 multiply minus 3 is equal to plus 9, right? But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. Now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule, right? So PEMDAS, according to PEMDAS rule, first priority is parentheses, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. And fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. In this question, here we have one subtraction, here multiplication, and here we have one parenthesis, right? So according to PEMDAS, first we have to solve this parenthesis. So is equal to 1 minus 4 multiply. Now solve this parenthesis. 1 minus 4 is equal to minus 3. So now minus 3 multiply minus 4 multiply minus 3 is equal to plus 12. So 1 plus 12. Now 1 plus 12 is equal to 13, right? So the correct answer is 13. If you like this solution, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.